Do you need help?
Oh, almost there.
It sounds like you're having a baby.
Hello, my friends. Welcome to Chewingmylife. I am now in a car on the way to a national park. We are going to have a very fun activity today. Will be my first time, maybe last time, also only time in my life to cut my own Christmas tree.
Wow!
They have too many trees in their national park, so they organize some activities, ask people to come over to get your own Christmas trees for free. So I asked my friends here who has a car, that's why I invite her. And also we need extra manpower. So I asked my housemates. That's why, so 3 of us, we are aiming to get 2 Christmas trees. But to be honest, why do we need to go to the national park to buy, to get the Christmas tree when there are so many Christmas trees on the, it's on sale, right?
Yeah,
How much
yeah,
is
like €5. Maybe 30 euros.
好多圣诞树啊！哇！就在买圣诞树。哦，这次上面只要不到10欧哎，跟入场券一样。这好可爱哟！哇，要22欧哎。At least there's a stand there. To be honest, if I move a Christmas tree back home, I really don't know how to make it stand up.
Part 2 of today's session.
Yeah.
Take my word for definite.
Yeah, I think we entered to the kind of...哇，你看，老伴儿，今天吃斋吗？不帮你。呀。剪接剪得太辛苦了，所以一定要假日出来休息一下，透透风，要不然每天都坐在荧幕前面。Okay, are you ready for your ticket? How is the soup?
Delicious. Lekker.
Wow, it's so typical winter food.
Do you want to try some?
Yes, later. I mean, I want to have one like after tree cutting. 这样子的树太大了，我没有办法在家里摆。今天我们想要砍的呢，就是这种 size 的 tree。
How much trees you want?
2.
2 trees?
2 trees, yeah.
Look,
Okay.
if you
That's
go off the parking place, you go right and the first left.
Okay.
Yes?
Do you remember?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Oh, this will be our tree, that one. Kröller-Müller Museum 啊， 个 founder 他们认为呢，就是梵谷是非常伟大的艺术家，所以呢，他们就在很多年前，我也不知道几年前，就是买了超多幅梵谷的画，大概有90幅梵谷的画。Where it is?
Guys, imagine we drive to Hoge and we come out the other side of the national park where we're.
There's a sign, like a wine.
The flag? Yeah, you
Can you read that already?
I couldn't.
No, I'm still barely able to read it.
Do you think there will be someone here to help us?
I think so. I
Come on.
Because
Or we just chop whatever we want.
yeah.
Ah, so it's like this.
Hi, goedemiddag. Ja,
Komen bomen halen?
komen ja, de 2 bomen. Ja, het katten.
Rechtsaf, hè?
Zaag.
De auto parkeren
Ja.
en dan even zaag bij.
Nee.
Nee.
Hebben wij er eentje
Ja.
te lenen eventjes,
Ja.
hè?
Ja.
Dus ik zou willen voorstellen, even de auto wegzetten, even zaag lenen en dan kunnen de bomen die lagen hier van rechts zo, het lage gedeelte, daar kunnen we uitzoeken.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah. So we park here. We come back. We get the saw. We go there and we can cut a tree.
I speak English too, but you've translated,
good
it's
that
no
you're-
problem at all.
I hope so. Otherwise, we're going to cut the wrong tree, and you're going to be like,
Yeah.
Park
no.
the car, come back and you get them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Will.
That's more space than I thought.
Yeah, it's not too bad, right?
Yeah, there's one here and the other.
Not too bad. 现在呢，我们正在想看看到底我们的车可以装下什么尺寸的树，因为这台车真的很小。我们有极大的梦想，但是极小的车。Wow, they have a tree on the top of their
It's a big
roof.
one, yeah.
This is the saw. That's wow. Oh, is that tree? That is a mooi. That is good. Yeah. Oh, that is like no hair.
One behind.
What are you picking?
I like these
Oh, so this is a pine. How do you call this?
cones,
Cones.
but they smell nice when they dry out in your house. So what I'm going to do is put them into like a phase once I clean them up a bit, and then I might mix like Christmas lights through them. You know the way you can get these lights that go into a bottle. I think it
Ah,
might look pretty. Or else you can just put them through the green.
I do have one but bigger one. Sometimes
the
they
bigger
look
ones
like
are
a pool
nice.
for me. Like that, you know.
Yeah, I know what you mean now that you say it. Thanks for ruining my Christmas stuff.
Kind of thick, like
That's
the
really
bottom
good.
one. And it's like this long way.
Yeah, I think you've got a good choice.
Do you need to trim them like after?
You can trim it off like
Yeah.
you know.
I think it's one direction.
Yeah. I think
Ah, it's actually quite easy.
Oh really?
super sharp.
Oh yeah! Our first Christmas tree.
It's yours. You have to be proud of it.
That's easy? That is too fast.
We know these.
Ah, it's kind of funny through the through the camera.
Oh yeah, pretty. Yeah.
We take these two.
No, but I want to cut.
Okay.
Okay. We found Rosita's tree, but how short you want? There. So one direction.
Ah, you can try both.
move it, yeah. Oh god, I'm worried about my fingers.
Yeah, and your legs.
No, she's
Yeah, it's
getting it.
halfway. Are you interested in try it or?
No, I'll.
Okay, I can.
I can. You can use my gloves, and you can. You need to push it like forward, you know.
Okay, hold on.
No, I can. I think it's like.
I think it's easier if you like
It's easier what?
if you pull like
Yeah,
how can I?
you're there.
Why it's so easy for him?
It sounds like you're having a baby.
Yeah, in the middle of the Christmas forest. Do you need help?
No, I'm almost there. I want to. So, do you mean like?
No, no. I
forward?
think you stand here. You stand here, and then you just pull it back toward yourself. You don't do like horizontal move. You do like this, front and back.
I'm gonna lose my hand soon. No, go back in the same space. That you
Yeah, same
started.
space, same space.
Yeah. Just turn this all the other way. Yeah. Definitely don't start.
And then watch out her fingers. And pull it back. Pull it back.
Put it back.
Yeah.
It's not easy because I can't really hold it that. Okay, can I try something?
Yeah. Okay. Wonderful. I think you need to the other way. Oh. Okay.
I think we're done. I'm staying all the way through.
In my hands.
My hands are so cold as well.
I need to put on my gloves. Too cold. This is also nice, right? Small and cute. Yes. I want to put on my desk. How many people cut the trees? Pink.
50.
Ooh.
50 people today.
Yeah. Wow.
Normally,
Yeah.
because of COVID-19,
Yeah.
we are restricted.
Yeah. Otherwise.
Last year, on one day, we had 600, 700 people
Wow.
cutting a tree.
Wow.
Next year.
Next year, yeah. I will be back again. If Merry Christmas! Cutting my own Christmas tree. Yay! How's my English?
Your English is great. For me, I couldn't even say that. I'd be like, I don't know what to say.
哎，可以耶！
我们把圣诞树呢吊在天空上，这样就不用再想办法把它如何种在盆栽里面，但是还会默默的旋转。下面还打个柔光，而且还有我们的户外酒窖，因为外面实在太冷了，现在每天晚上都快要接近1度，有时候甚至0下。